Sa loob, Mintis. Nakuha pa rin na yung bola. Manzano will score underneath once more. Di Campanal, it's street clothes lang din.
Wala pa pala si Campanal.
Oo. Joshua Hierro with a pull-up. I'm sure Coach Vic, hindi naman sa nirarap in ko sa ito pero known fact kasi ito they have laid out the last 3 years for their squad as Judel Fuentes with a turnaround jumper making it look easy.
Check sino talaga yung magkiklik dun sa system nila, building this team, getting those young guys. Kasi sabi nga natin in all sports, iba na yung bata
Sa lahat ng mga players na ganun kagaling. Pero yun nga if you have people like they have that have bought in. But let's look first at this move. Ganda nito, no?
Yeah, that was a very good drive.
Si Leland Estacio.
Yan lang yon for it to be successful.
Past the halfway point of the third quarter. Estacio, hirap na tira yun Pasa ito pa yung Lagrama to the post. Opiso, balik kay Fuentes.
Lista mo na.
Fuentes still on the floor. He's the only guy who's averaging over 20 minutes. Pero a little over 20 minutes nga lang as offensive efficiency in the league. Sports Plus is the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Scan the QR code to clear. Or visit www.sportsplus.ph. Ganda ng pasa dito.
Tingnan mo yan, no? Diba?
Yung pinakamaliit pa, yung kumat sa ilalim. Topeng Lagrama with the deuce. And another timeout requested by Sarangani. They are falling behind. Puro bigs.
Oo.
Bola na agaw ni Chris Lalata. Patapos na tayo sa third quarter. They only have 33 points to show in the first 30 minutes. Christian Magaran.
Timing lahat yan Hindi lang basta laro ka lang ng laro. Talagang may may buwelo yan
John Abate rising up for the layup. Because of the attitude he has of just embracing it, embracing his role with the team, slowly but surely, he is finding ways to contribute for the Quezon Huskers. Lagrama, catch and shoot. Almost got it in. Third quarter comes to a close. It's been all Quezon.